This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.0-liter V6, and the added capability of four-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, heated side view mirrors, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, roof rails, and this vehicle has less than 34,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned certification, a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Courtesy Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 1636 Dogwood Drive Southeast in Conyers.